In this lesson, we will see together the construction of an aspectual periphrase. So, of course, the question is, what is une periphrase? So, a periphrase is a figure of speech. It consists of replacing a word by its definition or by a longer but equivalent expression. So in other words, it consists of saying with several words what could be expressed by a single word or by several other words. So this is une periphrase, and definitely the concept here is a figure of speech, so expressing one concept in a different way. So let's see together the construction of an aspectual periphrase. So an aspectual periphrase, consider the action in one of the moments of its internal duration, at different stages of its realization. So let's have a look and you will see that it's not that complex as it first looks. So we'll have three ways, of course, because the first way will be the beginning of the action. And to express the beginning of the action, we will use se mettre à. Je me mets à faire cet exercice. Je me mets à faire cet exercice. So in that case, by using se mettre à, you want just to express the beginning of the action. Second stage, you want to express the course of the action. And in that case, we will use être en train de. Je suis en train de faire cet exercice. Je suis en train de faire cet exercice. So by using être en train de, I clearly have the feeling that you are expressing the course of the action. It is happening right now. And so, of course, we want to express also the end of the action, and we will use finir de. Je finis de faire cet exercice. Je finis de faire cet exercice. And in that case, using finir de, well, gives me the feeling that the action now is ending. So remember, to express the beginning of the action, you will use se mettre à. If you want to express the course of the action, you will use être en train de. And then to express the end of the action, you will have to use finir de.